Oh no, oh no, oh dear.
That was bad.
It's a night, stormy night, away she flies. The dream of
You'll stop next time, get that stone on you. Harry, it's you that has to go in. I know it. Not me, not Hermione, you.
I don't know any Lord of the Rings, but
Oh,
taking the
God.
hobbits to Isengard.
We've joined the gang of the Lotus. Who knows what the rules are? Initiation was kind of dodgy. With Uncle Ron being here, it really shakes up the dynamics. So it's gonna be a bloodbath. You heard it, black.
Not for nothing.
Is it going? Yeah. I don't think I can actually scooter on my own, huh? This is my best attempt. I don't know about this, about any of it, you know? Like, what are we all doing here? We just come from dust and we return to dust. What are we doing? Why is there sand on the tennis court? And there's two atoms that made everything, but it was just Adam and Eve at the beginning. I just don't understand that, you know?